here. Yeah, that's it. That's all the platform for you. Thanks a lot for following. Around. Yeah, thanks.
Wow! Thank you.
So what I spoke, what I showed, right? All of that is getting refined with your brand guidelines, professional voiceover, which is getting added on top of it, as if you have the whole studio with you.
To view information for the past year, navigate to the analytics section right here. You'll find data on conversion rates, total revenue, and active users. You can easily download it in CSV format by clicking on the option available in the top right corner. Thank you.
You can change any part of the video now. That's how easy editing is. You can prompt it, right? Let's say, as I want to say, change last year. So.
Hey Todd, here, you can access all your data in one convenient location. To view information for 2024, navigate to the analytics section right here.
For 10 seconds, you have the video ready in German.
Hey Todd, hier kannst du auf alle deine Daten an einem praktischen Ort zugreifen.